Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put BMW X6 in park. With your foot on the brake, press the shifter release button and move the lever into P until it clicks. Keep your foot on the brake for 1 or 2 seconds to let the transmission register. Check the dashboard P light and the parking brake indicator to ensure the car is secure before exiting. To use the park button, keep the brake depressed and press the P button if equipped, then wait for the audible or visual confirmation. On steep slopes, engage the manual parking brake after selecting park to prevent strain on the transmission. When parking on a hill, turn the wheels toward the curb to reduce movement risk. Always double-check the instrument cluster before exiting to ensure the car is fully secured. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great during drives and park checks. I find a fresh scent makes pre-drive checks more pleasant and keeps the car feeling cared for. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your BMW X6 won't go in a park, remain calm and keep the brake held while cycling the ignition once. Look for warning lights or messages that indicate an electronic fault or low battery condition. Try the park button if the shifter feels unresponsive, but do not force mechanical parts. If the issue repeats, arrange professional service to diagnose electrical or transmission problems and avoid long-term damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.